All right, we're here at 16230 Quemada Road here in Encino. There is a 4-inch cleanout located in the front of the house where the camera is actually sitting right now. We like to check as much of the sewer line as possible, the main line, so we climbed up on the roof and we're actually running our camera from a 3-inch roof vent. We'll continue our inspection from this cleanout in the front over here to go into the street, but we're going to pull the camera back over here. Now there's the cleanout, one-way cleanout. Now the cast iron pipe here, it's getting very old. Definitely has significant amount of rust buildup in it. It's pretty old, this line. You're going to have to be very careful what you flush down this toilets over here. No tampons, baby wipes, paper towels, etc. You can see it is getting pretty old and has rust buildup in it. Look at that buildup over there. So you see there, getting pretty old, this pipe. Look at that. Got sludge in it. So this pipe is pretty old underneath the house. Maybe on its last legs, possibly. Okay, so here it comes up the roof vent. Al? Is there anything else up top there, like a 2-inch roof vent or something? No? Alright, we're going to pause the recording over here and we'll continue the inspection from the outside. Okay, so now we're running the camera from the 4-inch cleanout located outside of the house. And we're actually right at the city connection in the middle of the street. There's the city sewer. So we're going to pull the camera back. Now you can see there is definitely a good sized root over here coming into the pipe. You can see this pipe's been hydrojetted several times because you can see the little nicks of the clay pipe. Now, I mean, the pipe, it can be maintained periodically, obviously. It may get to a point where you may have to repair that joint over there. The rest of the 6-inch clay pipe over here, looks like it's in pretty good condition. It's pretty good. All looks pretty clean. Comes onto the property, changes to a 4-inch clay pipe. You can see how this line's been hydrojetted several times, probably because of that root in the street. This all looks pretty okay here, nice and clean. Now right over here we have a little bit of a collapse on the pipe over here. See, there's a fitting right over there. I wonder if that's picking up anything inside the house, which we've marked at about 4 feet deep outside of the house. Definitely is collapsed there a little bit. Look, as we pull the camera back, you see there, so it is a little collapsed over there. Definitely might want to think about repairing this part over here because stuff can catch inside there. We're going to wrench and to repair it. Coming back here, comes out of the cleanout over here in the front of the house. So the cast iron pipe's getting pretty old underneath the house. It may need replacement, maybe sooner than later. There is that little collapse there in the front lawn that probably would need to be fixed. The piece in the street, obviously it can be maintained. As you can see, it's been hydrojetted several times. One day you may have to repair that piece. As of today, the line is functioning, all looking okay. We'll go ahead and stop the recording over here.